Thanks, man. Thanks, brother. Señoritas. So hey, what's up guys, this is Dionis Cycles. Check me out on Instagram. I'm over here on the Street Triple, Triumph Street Triple. Don't know what year, but it's definitely sexy and it runs great. Nice aero exhaust, name it. Look at that XR650L, man, it's a classic. So right now we're heading over to Triumph real quick to do a quick after hours parts run, because I forgot my parts over there. But yeah, just chill along for the ride. It's a quick short ride, a few blocks, a lot of traffic, keep it legal, not trying to get pulled over, just the usual jazz. It's a big bag. It's delivery guys, bro. It's like Dominican Republic, but worse. Oh, Brian. Steering head adjustment? Nah, that was the rotors. It's such a beautiful day out here today. I can see what the guys mean about motovlogging. You get kind of used to it. I think I can do this. Nah, it's not for me. Can't talk on forever. It's exhausting. Look at this line of bikes. Got delivery guys, bicycles. We all ride in traffic. Shoulder check. Just chill. Excuse me, sir. Let's just fold these mirrors in. Fuck these guys. Let's go. Scooter bros are so annoying. They're so timid and aggressive at the same time. This almost actually fits me really nice. It's fucking windy. Come on, New York City! Oh, I forgot this thing has a quick shifter. Ah, look at that. Oh, this good old narrow sports bike. Easy peasy. Ah, yeah! This fucking bike's fantastic. As far as modern motorcycles, man, trim and finish, feel, I don't think a lot of companies beat Triumphs. Like, yeah, there's Ducati and all that shit, but fuck wants a Ducati? Damn posers. Look at these losers. bike's sexy. Triumph TFC bobber, look at that thing, factory custom, really nice bike. Let's see, this is where I'm looking for. What I'm looking for is some brass nipples, some MIG throttle cables. They're not in my little box over there, Dirty Billy, so I must have brought it over and grabbed it and not realized it. I did not bring them over. Excuse the disorganized mess right now. Just getting settled in over here at Triumph. Haven't really gone around. I'm getting old, man. I don't know where I left shit anymore. I was 100% certain I left it inside that box. Tiger 1200 right there. Big old heavy bike. Doing forks for it. This is my speed triple. Needs a lot of work. Getting nice rear sets though. Eventually I'll get around to finishing it tomorrow. But I can't believe I misplaced those brass nipples. Without that I can't do the cables. Back to the Dirty Billies we go. Make sure it's all locked behind me. New Yorkers, don't be like this punk ass over here parking right in front of a no parking zone. Short leg life. Don't need to pull in the clutch. Quick shifter. So nice riding modern motorcycles. I like classics, but man, I tell you what, quick shifter on every bike is a must. It is so it's just, I don't have words for it. So nice. How many miles this baby has? Man, 8,900 miles. Just 100 miles shy. It's a really good bike. You guys get the opportunity, ride one. They were worth it. America. I love that quick shifter. The traffic jam on Metropolitan. A lot of construction has been going on these last few years. The neighborhood's been quite nice. A lot of renovation, a lot of new buildings. It's changed. It's like I want to just start lane splitting so bad. Trying to behave. It's not my bike. We're at least gonna, there's plenty of room for me to squeeze by here. Fold in the mirrors. Take this trailer to the other car. Don't want to get boxed in. Scooter boys. I don't like riding on the bike lane, but man, I don't know. Get ahead of this guy so I can just make this left-hand turn here instead of cutting in front of him once we're moving. Come on, traffico. Tell you what, I hate New York City traffic. I don't really like riding in the city. It's annoying. People are annoying. There's usually an officer hanging out right there. Not today. Looks like they took the day off. Yeah, motovlogging is not for me. Not my thing. I should record more of my rides. Done a few trips here and there. Nothing like Ducati NYC or the other guys, Motor Nerd, all those good dudes. They ride. He's either gonna try and pass me. Man, this bike is fantastic. Short attack, making an illegal U-Week.